How to deactivate your ad account on Facebook Meta Ad Manager. Hello advertisers, need to take a break from running ads on Facebook. Let's walk through how to deactivate your ad account quickly. Let's dive in. Log into Facebook Meta Ad Manager and navigate to the ad account settings. Within the ad account settings, look for the option labeled Account Deactivation or Deactivate Account. Click on Account Deactivation to review the details and implications of deactivating your ad account. Follow the prompts to confirm the deactivation of your ad account. You may need to provide a reason for deactivation. After confirming, review the confirmation message to ensure that your ad account has been successfully deactivated. If you decide to reactivate your ad account in the future, you can do so by following similar steps in the ad account settings. Deactivating your ad account on Facebook Meta Ad Manager is a straightforward process that allows you to take a break from running ads whenever needed. Remember to review the implications before deactivating. When you're ready to resume advertising, you just reactivate your account. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.